this is REOUP. If you want to open a new printing shop, maybe your Chinese peers can give you some inspirations. Today I'm going to introduce you to a Chinese printing shop and let's see how do they do. First of all, where is this printing shop? Let me introduce you the area. Behind the printing shop is a residential neighborhood with some buildings that are already down and some others that are on process of construction. And across the streets is a working area where there are many office buildings. So now let me show you the inside of the printing shop. The first thing you see in the room is the reception desk, and on the left, a sample area that can be shown to your clients. Let me show you the inside of the room. Here is a working desk where you can have some primary treatments of your orders, and those machines are the things that interest you the most, I think. So let me introduce you them one by one. The first one is a Ricoh black and white MP7503 with a finisher, and next to it a color Canon C7565 as well with a finisher. This one is covered, but I can tell you that this is a plotter. Here a paper cutter, and over there a binder, and finally another Ricoh MP7503. And on the shelf there is a stock of common paper that are used for daily basis. First of all, coated paper of different grammage, different cover paper, stickers, paper for photo, for film, and paper also for blueprint, etc. etc. So why this printing shop is using the machines that it's using now? Why? You have to know that this printing shop is located in an area where there are many office buildings. So for these offices, they would require a high quantity of black and white documents without a very high requirement for the quality. They just need them to be quick and low cost. And the black and white Ricoh machine is perfect for that because the consumable cost is very low and you can sell it as at a competitive price to your customers as well. So this one is running for daily use, and let's say that the other one can serve as a backup enforcement when the orders are exceptionally numerous. Even if most of your orders are in black and white, having a color machine is still very interesting because it can enlarge the spectrum of your capacities. When occasionally you have some color orders, you can use this one. What for? You can also increase your profit because you can charge color paper at a higher price. Sometimes some customers may require you to cut your paper or to bind a book. Those machines are here for this kind of orders to enlarge once again your capacities. As for this plotter, at the very beginning it was purchased for engineering use because around here many construction sites. So first there were many requirements for blueprints, for engineering plans, etc. But for the moment, the construction has ceased and many of the buildings have been finished. So for the moment, it's just it has done its work and it's resting here, covered. So how to choose your machines for your first printing shop? After today's visit, I think the most important thing when you open a new shop is not about having very expensive machines. It's not about having very fancy decoration, but to target your customers. You have to know where you are and who are your customers. And with that, you can do the most cost-effective choice. So today I've shown you a very particular case, and there are many others. In the future, we would show you other visits like this one. And if you have a very particular project, you can also share it with us and we can analyze it with you together. And thank you for watching. See you next time.